racing just started. We have Morning Nasir. Break quickly at the start to the mark. Mayor Bulaklak in the middle. And on the outside is Color My World Faultless. Viva Bola, Paminsan-Minsan, My Sweet Leonora, Virtual Angel, Fleetwood second last, while Situnet is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Morning Nasir by our length and a half. To the mark in second, 6 lengths further back in third comes Faultless. And on the outside now is Color My World. Down on the inside is Mayor Bulaklak in Viva Bola, My Sweet Leonora, Virtual Angel, Paminsan-Minsan, Fleetwood, while Situnet is still racing in 11th. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Morning Nasir by about 4 lengths. And in second is to the mark, moving up Faultless. Mayor Bulaklak in now trying to get closer in fourth. Then next online now is Color My World, Viva Bola, Virtual Angel. Then followed by My Sweet Leonora, Paminsan-Minsan, Fleetwood, and Situnet. And as they swing for home, we have Faultless now takes command. Moving up now on the outside is Mayor Bulaklak in Virtual Angel is racing in third. Last 100 meters, we have Faultless followed by Mayor Bulaklak on the outside. And finally the curtain closer, Faultless. Then comes Mayor Bulaklak in number 8, Virtual Angel. Viva Bola, Paminsan-Minsan.